Bitcoin is the best performing asset class of the past decade, and the competition isn't even close. Whether we're talking about cash, bonds, stocks, real estate, gold, or mutual funds, nothing can compare with Bitcoin's average annual growth rate of 97%. This means that if you invested in Bitcoin and didn't sell, you would have doubled your money on average each and every year. And this means that even small amounts of money can quickly become a sizable chunk of your net worth. For this reason, it's important to take Bitcoin investing seriously. So with that in mind, here are 8 fundamental Bitcoin rules which every serious Bitcoin investor should live by.
If you don't own your private key, you don't own your Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is a 2-step process. The first step is making a purchase on an ethical Bitcoin exchange. The second step is actually taking ownership of your Bitcoin by transferring it off the exchange and into your personal custody. Or in other words, sending your Bitcoin to a wallet that only you control. Never ever trust a third party to custody your Bitcoin for you, no matter what assurances they give you of their ability to keep your Bitcoin safe. The reality is that a great number of crypto exchanges go bust and lose all their clients' money. This happens time and time again. There are almost too many examples to count at this point. And if you're one of the unsuspecting clients, the financial loss could be devastating. The lesson here is that the only person you should trust with your Bitcoin is you. Never trust a third party. Always custody your own Bitcoin. There are many ways to do this. But for small amounts of money, simply download an app like Moon Wallet from the App Store. Then watch our video on self-custody for a step-by-step guide to safely take ownership of your Bitcoin.
Stacking sats is a term Bitcoiners use to describe the accumulation of sats, or satoshis. A sat is the smallest unit of Bitcoin. You can basically think of it as the penny of Bitcoin. The best way for most people to buy Bitcoin is to make small, regular purchases over a period of time, otherwise known as stacking sats. Buying Bitcoin in this way can also be referred to as dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, we make regular weekly or daily purchases, regardless of what the price is. This approach builds discipline and takes all the emotion out of the equation, and the math doesn't lie. Dollar cost averaging actually results in the best financial returns over the long run for most people. At the time of recording, the Bitcoin price is around $30,000. If you purchased $100 of Bitcoin once off at the all-time high price of around $68,000 in November 2021, you'd have made a loss of 56% if you sold today. But if you had instead dollar cost averaged your $100 by making small daily purchases every day between November 2021 and April 2023, you'd be up 17%. This example shows just how powerful dollar cost averaging can be.
Everyone wants to be a trader. The lure of quick gains is incredibly tempting, and advertisers increasingly push us to give it a try. But here's the truth. Over 99% of people who attempt to trade lose all their money. And because Bitcoin is a highly volatile market, trading Bitcoin is more difficult and uncertain than trading traditional assets. On top of that, most new traders don't fully consider the tax implications of trading, which can be a major drawback. For these reasons, unless you've been trading profitably for several years, you should not even think about trying to trade Bitcoin. If you absolutely must trade, rather trade other asset classes, never Bitcoin. After all, why would you risk losing your share of the most valuable asset class that anyone can own?
Always think long-term. Consider Bitcoin as you would your retirement portfolio, a multi-decade investment. Do not be distracted by short-term price fluctuations. Whilst the volatility can be both exhilarating and pretty anxiety-inducing at times, it's important to always zoom out to consider the bigger picture. If you keep your focus on the long run, you're far less likely to make the mistake of selling when the market is down. And in fact, you're more likely to see short-term price drops as an opportunity to accumulate more cheap Bitcoin for your future.
Other so-called cryptocurrencies are collectively referred to as shitcoins by ethical Bitcoiners, and there's good reason for this. Most altcoins are centralized scam coins designed to steal your money. Many unsuspecting people have lost a great deal of money to these scams over the years. And those who've taken the time to educate themselves on why Bitcoin is different do their best to educate others on how to prevent these catastrophes. So our advice to you is simple. Ignore the noise. Don't be tempted by the promise of quick gains or distracted by the latest scam token. There is in reality only one cryptocurrency, only one secure, sound, decentralized money, and that is Bitcoin.
It's important to speak about Bitcoin and help to educate others wherever possible, but never tell others how much Bitcoin you personally own. In the same way that you don't advertise how many dollars you have in your bank account, never share how much Bitcoin you own. Financial privacy is extremely important, and there's no need to paint a target on your back by flaunting your wealth. The golden rule is always speak about Bitcoin, but never speak about your Bitcoin.
Scams are everywhere these days, especially in the online space. Your job is to learn to identify scams and steer well clear. As a general rule, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Never trust a new source of information before independently verifying it. Never send someone money you've met over the internet. And always follow basic best practices to ensure that your Bitcoin is kept safe. Check out our video on just that by clicking the pop-up banner now.
The Bitcoin rabbit hole is deep. There's an enormous amount to learn, and new quality content is released continually. It's important to stay humble and always keep learning. Bitcoin is the future of money. You have the unique opportunity to secure your financial future and your family's financial future for generations to come. The earlier you understand the Bitcoin revolution, the more you stand to benefit. But in order to help you understand the value of Bitcoin, it's useful to see how it compares against other asset classes. In these videos, we discuss how Bitcoin compares to stocks and real estate. See you there.